I'm paying a visit to White Pebble Beach in Minalabac, and I'm not there yet. I've been looking around for the resort, and the obviously if I was on my own, which I'm not, thank God, there's a bit of a language barrier, and I would have struggled. I'll be quite honest with you, I would have struggled, because you get here on such a little road, and there's so many roads off and they take you to nowhere basically, and it can be a bit dodgy. But obviously I have Edward with me today. He's going back later on today. It's only been a flying visit, so he's kindly shown me how to get here. But I just wanted to show you this bit, because I mean, obviously the beach is pebble, hence the White Pebble Beach, but it is so beautiful, and the water looks beautiful as well. So the kids seem to be enjoying the hot day, and my God, it is hot today. But that water's going to cool them down anyway. And there seems to be a bit of a community off the beach here as well when we go a bit further down. But you know, I love this stuff anyway. I don't care, you know, how many Westerners are out here. In fact, I'm pleased there isn't a lot of Westerners, to be fair. But that's a nice little touch at the end, isn't it, that waterfall thingy. Get a bit closer. When I get my SLR camera, will not have this problem. I'll not have to walk a mile to places, because I'll be able to zoom in on it. So here it looks like there's been a bit of erosion, but the aftermath is quite impressive. There's that bit of a waterfall that comes down the mountain. It runs by a lot of the communities up the mountain there, so I wouldn't imagine it would be very clean, but that is just my guess. Well, the reason there's not a lot of people here is the holiday season is March through to May, and obviously we're in November going into December, so there's nobody here, which, like I say, I'm pretty pleased about. So I'm just going for a dip. I've got my new snorkel and mask. This is a bit tight. It fitted me in the UK, so I guess I put a bit of weight on.